Hello everyone, welcome back to Key Property Rwanda. Today we are going to tour this beautiful house here in Kicukiro, Kagarama, which is 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, kitchen, dining area, sitting room, family lounge, and also enough parking space with a rooftop terrace. So it's only on 320 million Rwandan francs with a slight of negotiation. So let's go in details and see what else we have. Here where you can see that we have beautiful plants that makes our house look more beautiful, and the finishing is quite amazing. You can also see that we have plants all around the parking space, and you can see our parking space can fit up to 3 cars that are packed well. So from here we have this beautiful staircase that brings to our house. You can see that they are quite beautiful, and you can see that you can stand here and enjoy the view of the neighborhood, or even see what is going on in the parking space. So on this other side, we also have a way that brings us to our backyard side. And now we are going to go inside and we see what we have. Welcome to our sitting area, which is quite spacious. You can fit enough seats here with your family, and we have enough place you can plug different things, electronics. And here on this side we have where you can put your TV stand, and then you will watch your news from here. And you can see that the ceiling is really beautiful and has enough lighting. So from there we come to our dining area, which is here, and it's quite enough for your family. You can see you can put seats here, and then you have a great time. And it also has beautiful design on this side, and here we have a sink with a mirror. You can see also the lighting is really beautiful. So it brings us to our kitchen. Which is really spacious. You can see that is big enough. We have enough cabinets all the way where you can wash your dishes, you can put your cooking stove, and also where you can put your big fridge of a big family. We have enough cabinet all the way here, and also on this other side that can fit enough things in your kitchen. And also on this other side, it brings us outside to our backyard, where we have where to hang clothes, and also houses for someone who is keeping the house. As you can see, quite beautiful and amazing. So let's go and check the bedrooms. We go into the bedrooms. Here we have a toilet or bathroom where your guests that are going away can use this one with a mirror. And it also brings us to the balcony that takes us back to the parking space. You can see that is big enough, and it also goes all the way here with beautiful plants, flowers that makes our house look amazing. So we are going to go into the bedrooms and see how they are. So on this side we have staircase that brings us to the second floor, and other bedrooms we have, but here we have to check the bedroom that can be used as a guest bedroom. On this side we have a bathroom which is quite big and enough for someone where they can take a shower, toilet seat. Here we have a sink and also a beautiful mirror on this side. So let's check the bedroom, which is on this side. So this is the bedroom, which is quite enough for someone who is visiting you or one of your family members. And we also have enough, we have wardrobe in this bedroom, and it has enough cabinet all the way going up. So we are going to go upstairs and see what else we have. By the way, before we go up, we have a space here that can be used as a storage here under the staircases. Now let's go up. And now it brings us to our family lounge, which is quite big. You can put enough seats here with your family, with your kids, with your loved one, and then you will have an amazing time. Let me tell you something. Here we have a special place. This one, it brings us to another balcony there, which we are going to check out later. So on this first floor, we have 3 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, and we are going to check these 2 bedrooms that share 1 bathroom. So on this side, this is one of the bedroom, and it's quite big. You can use this one as your kids' bedroom, all the way. You can see how beautiful it is, and it also comes with a wardrobe that have enough storage space. And it brings us outside to this beautiful balcony here, where someone who is staying in this bedroom can sit and relax. So let's check other parts. From this bedroom, we come to the bathroom, which is on this side. This is the bathroom that is shared between two bedrooms. This is where they can take a shower. This is a toilet seat. Here we have a sink, a mirror, and behind the door we have where to hang your towels. So welcome to the second bedroom. You can see that this second bedroom is also big and enough for someone who is staying in this bedroom, and it also comes with a wardrobe that is big enough. So on this side we also have a balcony that someone can use to sit, relax, and enjoy the view. So let's check another bedroom. So on this first floor we have this beautiful bedroom that can be used as a master bedroom. Let's first check the bathroom, which is really big enough for two people. This is the shower and shower head. This is toilet seat. Here we have a sink with a mirror that can be used as a storage, and it's quite spacious because you can see where the camera is and where I am. It's really big enough. So from there we have here a walk-in closet. From this side you can see that is big enough, and also we have another part here on this side which is also big all the way from there up here, and we have enough cabinet. Another special thing is that this place takes us out to the balcony. Here it takes us to this beautiful balcony that can show us the view of the place, and this way also brings us back to the family lounge. So let's check the bedroom. Welcome to the bedroom. So here we have the master bedroom, a very spacious and beautiful bedroom of this house. You can see the ceiling is really beautiful and amazing, beautiful light, beautiful finishing, and I love how big it is, because from that space you can also put a TV here in case you don't want to go downstairs to watch the TV, and then you will have your private time with your loved one. And this is where you can put a bed. You can see how big it is, right? It's really big. So let's check out the balcony. This is a balcony of the master bedroom, and it's quite beautiful and big, and we also have plants that make our house more beautiful. So we are going to check the second floor and also the terrace. Come with me. So we are still in our staircase going up to the second floor. That brings us to the last bedroom we have of this house, because we just checked 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with a guest bathroom. So on this side we have another bedroom, but here is the bathroom of this bedroom, and it's quite big and spacious. You can see how beautiful it is, and very beautiful mirror on this side. So here is the bedroom, which is really big and enough for someone who is staying in this bedroom. And here we have wardrobe. This house, it comes with wardrobe in every room. You see how special it is. So let's check another part. So this is the last bedroom we just checked. That make it 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms of this house. And here we come to the rooftop terrace, which have big enough space that can be used as a kitchen, outside kitchen with it's sailed. And from here we also have this very massive space that can be used to host parties, birthday parties, family gathering, and then you will have a great time with your family. We have plants all the way on the side of the place. So we are done touring this beautiful house here in Kicukiro, Kagarama, and to remind you, it's 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, dining area, sitting room, kitchen, family lounge, rooftop terrace, and enough parking space. And it's only on 320 million Rwandan francs with a slight of negotiation. So if you are interested, let us know in the comment section, and you can reach out to our information in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Cynthia, and I will see you next time.